with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Partly cloudy to fair skies across the area. One or two very small showers. But the big news, of course, is number one, the heat and humidity, and number two, the wind continues as it did yesterday. Let's take a look at an example where you've got fair skies in Kingsville at your weather bug there. 101 degrees, feels like 106 right now. And that dew point is sitting at 67. In other areas, it's 78, 79, 80. So just a whole lot of heat out there. Hazy sunshine here in Corpus Christi along the bayfront where you've got 96 degrees. Heat index is 114 right now. Now here's the big picture looking out on the satellite radar loop, and you can see basically fair skies where we are. Big time thunderstorms along the Red River Valley. And if you look in the northwestern Caribbean, that is the tropical storm Nana. Now, getting a lot of flack about the name Nana. It's not your grandma. It's not at all. It's a tough storm out there, but it's not heading on our way, so be prepared if you're in Central America. Here's that storm, and that's the track we're seeing. It'll make Category 1 hurricane before its landfall in the northern portion of Belize and move on across the southern Yucatan into southern Mexico. But no real threat here. What we will see later on is the remnants of that becoming a tropical wave and giving us some abundant rainfall sometime the first part of next week. Well, let's take a look at what we have going on right now, though. Temperatures in the 90s to lower hundreds. Obviously hotter in the interior, but not quite as humid. We are looking at heat index values because of these dew points in the lower 80s that are near 120. Kingsville and Beeville both at 121. Naval Air Station 115. And you can see the rest of them. It is stifling heat and humidity. But here's your relief. Notice in the upper air a trough moving through the central part of the state. By midweek, firing big thunderstorms in north central Texas, but those will not make it here. Instead, they stay to our north as that trough lifts on off. But meanwhile, here comes that tropical wave for your weekend and into the first of next week, giving us some decent rain chances. Now, another system moving in the middle of next week. That one promises much cooler air. First big taste of fall, probably a week from Wednesday, so be prepared for that, along with significant amounts of rain. Now, in the short term, we'll see 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain through the weekend, and then not much Monday and Tuesday, and then into next Wednesday, a week from tomorrow, big rains, 1 to 2 inches with that much colder air coming in. Tonight, though, 81 degrees, partly cloudy, windy, quite humid out there. South-southeast wind, 18 to 29 miles an hour. And remember, excessive heat warning in parts of Jim Wells and Clayburgh counties until 8 p.m. tonight. Heat advisory elsewhere across the coastal bend until 8 p.m. That's likely to be reissued tomorrow. And on those nearshore waters, that's a small craft advisory for those strong gusty winds. Here's what it looks like the next 7 days. Heat index still a problem Wednesday and Thursday. Not quite as much a problem Friday through the first of next week. Scattered thunderstorms Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, becoming isolated Monday and Tuesday. Before that late period cold front comes in Tuesday night, early next Wednesday, to give us a big relief in temperatures and rainfall. Drew?
Look forward to that, Bill. Thank you.